In the past, prior to the outside of the in-house software for income modeling, we typically did a lot of our income analysis on either Excel spreadsheets or on paper, depending on the appraiser's preference. It seemed to be very time-consuming. You don't have readily access to all of that data like you do within a modeling system where you can query in the database and pull that information right out for the statisticians that we have on staff to kind of review what's actually occurring with our rates. For the review of the data inside the system, the iasWorld system, we basically, an appraiser may look at a screen, look at the property characteristics of the property, pull that information out, compare it with other publications of rents and stuff, plug that into their Excel spreadsheet, and then manually override a value in the system. The need for Ramsey County to stay up to date with the latest technology that's being offered by the iasWorld product is we find that our appraisers always have the drive to want to continue to kind of venture out and find out new options within the program and use those options within their workplace. And it's we kind of revisited the income modeling, and with the latest upgrade back in, I think it was about 2011, we decided we could start using the modeling feature for the income producing properties, which is commercial, industrial, and also the multifamily apartment type properties. With the in-house or the in-software income modeling process, basically the appraisers can go out, review a property, review the characteristics, make sure everything's in check, and then they also review the income modeling tab within the iasWorld product. They basically look at the rates, compare those with actually what the market's producing. They can make an adjustment in there to kind of fine-tune the numbers, but overall we like the appraisers to kind of use their best judgment and try to use the model values that are in the system. And over I think the past 2 years since we've had the income models for the income producing properties, we've I think added about 300% more parcels than we used to have when we first started, so it's a big improvement. I think it works out to where they like it a lot better, where they can have a second opinion basically from the system, what it's coming up with. And we typically hold meetings maybe once or twice a year to do the calibration of the income models. So we'll review rates, get recommendations from the appraisers, and then calibrate it, upload the changes into the system, and then check back with them to make sure everything looks okay. Results are pretty substantial for us moving to the income modeling and the upgraded version of iasWorld. It's allowed us to basically streamline our work processes, keep staff kind of on their toes on just kind of following what the rates are doing in the system. So it's allowed us to work more efficiently, which basically in return saves taxpayer money to allow us to work with less appraisers and kind of get the same job duties done with less staff.